How we doing, everyone? We are back again. This time we got one ticket here. We got one of the $20 230 million cash explosion tickets from the Arizona Lottery. Now, these ones here, we have the overall odds. Going to be 1 in 3.09, and the prizes range from $20 up to that top prize of $2.5 million. Alright, guys, we're going to need a little help. 1 out of 3.9, and we got 1. And the reason we got 1 is because this was the last ticket they had in the pack. Alright, guys, if you have not seen me do these, we're looking for that money bag symbol there to win $100 instantly, or the 20x symbol to win 20 times our prize. Alright, guys, enough talking. Let's get into it. See if we can beat those odds. We're looking for 13, 34, 8, 17, 36, 9, 32. Alright, guys, let's see how we do. 22, 39, 2, 18, 38. Next row, we got 42, 10, 35, 25, 49, 28, 47, 24, 7, 31. 2 rows left. 16, 15, 46, 41, 1, 4, 12, 5, 33, and in the corner, 6. Alright, guys, we could not beat the odds today. We tried. Couldn't make it happen. But as always, guys, if you would, consider hitting the subscribe button. Give this one a thumbs up, and we will see you on the next one.